Toshiba has introduced the XG6 series, the first SSD to be created with its advanced 96-layer 3D flash technology. The XG6 series of SSD NVM Express NVMe uses BiCS 3D flash memory with 3 bits per cell that powers the drives at 3,180 MB per second of reading and 3,000 MB per second of write speed, with 365,000 stellar random write IOPS input/operations output per second. At the same time, the devices consume a maximum of only 4.7 watts. The new SSDs arrive a week after Toshiba introduced the first samples of next-generation 96-layer flash chips of 4 bits per cell. That shows that there may be about a year of delay between the launch of the latest generation flash technology and the launch of products that can really buy. Toshiba Vice President Jeremy Werner points out that SSDs, with their complex controller designs, pose the most formidable flash design challenge. Toshiba has yet to disclose the prices of the units, but says it targets high-performance mobile, embedded gaming, customer segments PCs, along with data centers, so you can expect to pay a premium. The M23X4 SSDs are available in sizes of 256, 512 and 1024 GB and are now taking samples to select OEM customers. However, it is not yet known when they will find one on Amazon.